Okay, zelog. Let's play birds. I don't usually play f4. So, surprise weapon. B3, transpose into other lines. Okay. So got Nimzo last in attack, kind of thing. Maybe I can play G4, bishop G2, or G5 straight off. If the bishop moves, G5. Aha. So if black wants to strike with D4, be opening diagonal, so let him do that. So I play G5. Oh, castle. Let him do that. Maybe E4, D4, E4. There's also, I don't know, knight C3, D4, knight B5. Queen moves. Don't know what happens after that. But here, G5, I could pick up G7 and be really materialistic. It's knight E4. Do I really want to do that? Knight E4, D3, where does the knight go? I'll try it. Ah, okay. I can threaten knight B5 here. In fact, I can threaten knight B5 again, I think, to sack the knight. Keep this closed over here. Right, what's that open this diagonal? But knight B5 takes. Knight B8 is interesting. Is it sound? Probably not. Is there a better way of peeling open the king here? At A5. Can't see how. I'll go for it. It's only a knight. Right. How about C4 to try and get the diagonal going? D4 and B4 takes, and C5 and B6 kind of thing. B4 first. Maybe B4 first. Takes C5. C5, rook C1. Or takes D4. Takes. With the threat of C5. Yeah, I think B4 must play a role here to try and undermine A, the diagonal, but also the C file and C5 generally. If knight takes some time to double up rooks in the H file, that should be good fun. Queen D5 here. That's Queen D5 here. Cheeky, but Queen E6 looks as though, or Queen F5 looks as though getting enough pawns. Okay. And then Queen E4 to keep the diagonal entertainment going. It's HG, there's rook A7. Let's go for that. So FG, I don't really want bishop to come in. Queen can't come in without allowing B7, Queen B7 mate. Okay, so rook A7. Rook A7. I wonder. I think I've definitely got the trumps. By the way, I wanted to carry on the evolution series on Steinitz. I want to do that about positional play because he formulated a lot of things about positional play. So I'm wondering if you guys want any more Morphy games, or should I just proceed? Oh, the bishop can take the rook here. Should I just proceed to Steinitz, bypassing Morphy? So please let me know. Let's take that rook. Okay, he's resigned. Okay. Because I think Steinitz was the first person to sort of list, various positional play factors. So anyway, so this was just very tempting. It just accelerates an A file attack, accelerates pressure on the C file, but there's also things like B4 to consider. So if his attack's delayed with this knight on the back row, This is just losing lots and lots of pawns, so that's brilliant for me, as well as not doing anything for the diagonal. So anyway, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.